Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I started recording a video earlier today and somehow the format was off and I couldn't get it to flip over and all this stuff. Anyways, it didn't work out, so I had to just delete that footage and start my other video which I was planning to do. So just to give a recap of what I just did for my Techo, my Hobonichi Techo, I used some washi paper that I got from Japan in my Zaka kit. I'll put links below of everything I use and where you can find the stuff or where I got it. I use that right here. I use some Klasiki washi, and I used some MT Sakura themed washi and these kokeshi dolls. I had some ephemera that was Japanese themed, so it's 4 pieces. I placed this plate background first, and then I placed this on top, and then I kind of just inserted the fan to fill in this space. So there was a space right here, and then I decided to put the crane above. So far so good with my Techo. I'm gonna try to do as many videos as I can when I'm decorating, whether it means me talking on the video or me just fast forwarded, you know, just showing you what I did. So it just depends how busy I am and what things are happening. But I think if I just put content out there and everybody can just see different ideas of different things to do, because as much as I love my I love watching YouTube and I love watching videos, I want to watch videos with ideas and things that people do, and I end up just finding like recaps or reviews. I don't see too many like ideas. So obviously my theme here was Japan, so I use that as my inspiration, and since I have quite a few things, I use them. So anyways, I'll be journaling off camera, of course. I'm not gonna do that here, it takes too long. And then I'm just gonna show you yesterday's page since I have it here, and then the first have that, and then I have just like a little synopsis for the month. And I think I'm gonna be doing a vision board here of like things I want to do this year. So I'll work on that as I have things and kind of get ideas and put it together. There's no set time frame, it's just something extra I want to do. And then I'll show you my January calendar since this is the beginning of the month, so I might as well just show you. Simple, cute, just wanted to put a little something there just to kind of keep me on track. So there's the update on the Techo. Sadly, my video just did not work, so at least I gave you a quick review. I'm just gonna work on my cousin next, which I wanted to do 2 separate videos because not everybody has a Techo or not everybody has a cousin or blah blah blah. So I wanted to do 2 separate videos so you can pick and choose which one you'd like. So I will preface this by saying I live in an RV, guys, so my videos are gonna move around and things are not gonna be just put because my whole house moves. Alright, so you guys have already seen my cousin. So my first, January 1st, yesterday I did some reflecting. Let me just lift it up for you guys to see. And here we are for today. So today's theme is like travel for my Hobonichi Techo. Hobonichi cousin. I really love traveling. It's something that I aspire to do for the rest of my life, is to keep traveling, to keep seeing other places, and yeah. So I have 3 different MT tapes that I'll be using. You'll just see them as I use them, so I can just limit the time I talk. And then I have this extra one just in case I wanted to add a little extra. Then I have a little ephemera. So I'll start off by placing down some of the washi tape. And, you know, as many of you know, you can do anything you'd like in your Hobonichi. And for my cousin, it's going to be one of those experimental ones. I am going to be probably watercoloring and using more markers and all sorts of stuff as time goes on. In my Techo, I'm going to kind of just keep it paper and washi and stuff like that. And it's smaller, so I don't have as much room. So definitely, you know, my cousin will definitely be my experimental notebook. Techo, Hobonichi. I keep calling it Techo even though it's cousin. Ugh. But anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. But anywho, I was watching Hobonichi Chan, and she went to scrapbook.com and got these adorable like winter ephemera packs from scrapbook.com, and I really want to check out that site so I can pick up some extra little things for my Hobonichis. It just seemed like the ephemera packs were around the right size wise for the pages. So I'll be checking those out later today. And obviously put this on wrong because the hand is going the opposite way. That's a great thing about washi tape, that you can just lift it and replace it. And I really love empty washi tape. It's so awesome. And I'm getting to that point in my washi tape like path, journey, whatever you want to call it, collection, that I'm getting really picky about which washis I like. I like it to be a full roll. I don't like these thin rolls things that come out. I want it to have quite a bit of tape, and I have limited space. So I have to be able to get a bang for my buck, one, and two, I have to be able to have enough of it that it doesn't just fill up. I'm not about filling up just space because I can. I'd rather have less and have things that will last me a long time, and the space is full with stuff that actually, you know, work out. So anywho, so the MT rolls fit that criteria. They're super thick and they have a lot of tape, and they also are unique. You know, they're not just your average tape, and I like that. I really enjoy that. I'm just making sure that's nice and tight. I think it needs a little bit more glue on the edges. And I think I really enjoy the cousin. I like that it's a way bigger page. That really makes a difference for me. I like the Techo though. I that's why I got both, because I couldn't really decide, and Now that I'm actually working on them, I'm so happy that I got both, because I feel like with the Techo, I want to do more and I can't because I have limited room. So it's a good thing. And then I just kind of feel like accomplished because I did my page. But then I can, you know, go back and work on the cousin, and then really, like, you know, expand my horizons and write more and do more. But also I don't have to if I don't want to. I can just, you know, keep it simple and do something simple on it. But I like the extra room in the cousin so much. I think it's really amazing. I think it adds to it. Oh, I'm using these, let me go back and tell you this. Sticky notebook. I don't know exactly where my friend M got these. I can't remember. There was a Daiso. I think it was Daiso, but it has these cool little sticky notes and they are beautifully themed. So that's what I'm using. That's why I'm grabbing 4 over here. I got the little luggage, and then I'm gonna grab a camera. Oops. And I don't know if you guys listen to podcasts, but lately I've been looking, I was looking through my stash of stuff, and I was looking for air balloons like this, because I recently listened to a podcast called, well, I always listen to this show, but I've been listening to it for years, but one of the recaps from an old show was a hot air balloon show. And I remember hearing in the show how people in France were obsessed with hot air balloons, decor and things that had hot air balloons on them. And so it was funny because I was going through my ephemera packs and I found a couple different like hot air balloons, and I saw this one and I instantly grabbed it because I have it in my mind just thinking about it recently with everything. And it was really funny that I had these this little one in a pack that M sent me. Also, M sends me a lot of awesome stuff, so I use this one, but I have another one that's really, really nice. It's a little bit larger and it's cut out to the shape of the balloon, so I'll use it in something else. It just didn't quite fit the theme as good as this because it has colors and it matches all this extra stuff that I wanted to do. So I think I'm good with that because these are more like snail mail-y, and this is more like Paris theme. So I'm gonna stop there with those, and I think I've done good. I wanted to use this here, but I kind of feel like I got what I wanted. I don't, oops, hit the camera. I don't feel like I need to add this. If I didn't have this one, maybe I would have put it right here, but I like this much better. It kind of goes with the smaller. You have to play around with stuff like this. Like, you can't just like pop stuff. You have to get different ideas and kind of get a theme going and then try it out on the page and then look, I like that better or I don't like it. So that's what I do. So this is awesome. I really enjoy it. So just like I did with my Techo that I couldn't use the big, I had this beautiful Japan card that I got from my Zaka kit. Let me pull it out. This one is beautiful, and I wanted to use it on my spread for Japan, but look at how big it is. It just didn't work, so I put it back here. I might use it for something else. I might just use it as inspiration. I might do anything with it, but for now I'll just keep it there, keep it with my Hobonichi. And then this one I'm going to actually, because I know I'll use this, I might even journal in the back. I'll put this here, and I have to write, and I'll do that later off camera, of course. And yeah, so let me pull it up so you guys can have a quick peek of it. I really like that washi. Oops, I hit the camera. God, bear with me, guys. But here is January 3rd for both the cousin and the Techo. Have a good day. Bye.